Last episode, guests at 0 handed you one name, but the early table seats the first three, and asking for 0, then 1, then 2, 3 separate times is not how anyone works. You want the piece in one go. So you put two numbers in the bracket with a colon between them, guessed 0, 3. Start here, stop there, and Python hands back a whole piece of the row at once. Now the part that catches everyone. The second number is where the slice stops, not what it takes. 0, 3 gives you slots 0, 1 and 2. 3 is where it stops, so slot 3 is left behind. And the very same bracket works on a string because a string is a row of characters. Mira 1, 4 gives you EER, 3 letters from the middle, one idea working in two places. So two numbers in a bracket grab a piece, and the second number is where it stops. Let's write it. Line 1 is the guest list, 4 names now. Line 2 takes the first 3 of them. Line 3 puts a single name in a box. And line 4 takes 3 letters from the middle of that name. Run it, and both pieces come back. The first answer is a list of 3, Arjun, Meera and Rohan. And Kabir is left behind because 3 is where it stopped. The second is EER, 3 letters from the middle of Meera. Your turn. Type those 4 lines in any editor, save it as pieces.py and run it. Then change the 0 on line 2 to a 1 and run it again. Watch the first answer. Start at Meera instead. Next episode, counting from the end. How -1 gets you the last guess without counting at all. See you there.